Yebo, niyalamukela njalo ku-speakndebele.com. Igama lami nguNtando. That's another very big hello. And welcome to speakndebele.com. My name is Ntando. Right, we're continuing with our series, Mastering the Ndebele Tongue. And we are doing part 4, which is the tongue and teeth sounds, which are DL, HL, and TSH, ch and ch. Right. Let's get right into it. Now, let's start with DL. Now, the way you make the DL sound is it's made in the bottom right-hand part of the cheek, okay? And basically what you do is you begin by bringing your top and bottom jaw together. Don't allow your teeth to touch. Then hold your tongue loosely between the top and the bottom jaw on the extreme right-hand side. And then breathe through that union to make a little growling kind of gurgling sound, producing the sound, okay? And it sounds something like this. So, senza nini amabala alomsindo ka l. That's words with the l sound, okay? We've got dlana, which is to eat. Dlana. Indlu. Indlu is a house. Dlala. Dlala means to play. Indlebe. Indlebe is an ear. Isibhedlela. Isibhedlela is the hospital. Okay, very good. Let's go on to HL. Now, HL sound is made in a similar kind of way at the bottom right-hand part of the cheek. So you position your mouth in the same way, and then this time, instead of breathing a deep kind of growling sound, you're going to make an almost whispered gurgling kind of sound, producing the sound. Let's do it together. One more time. Okay. Now, amabala alomsindo ka, words with the sound. We've got hlala, which means to sit. Hlala. Okay? Hlabela. Hlabela, that's to sing. Mhlophe. Mhlophe means white. Okay? Isihlahla. Isihlahla is a tree. Hlanu. Hlanu. That's the number 5. Okay, now let's go on to TSH. Now TSH is, it's made in a similar way to the English ch. Now that's very easy, right? So if you speak English and you know how to make the ch sound as in chair, then you know how to make the Ndebele TSH sound. Okay, now just note here that there's 2 ways to say the ch sound, okay? The first is a straightforward, CH sound, like in the English ch. And the second is made in a similar way to the ch sound, but this time you add a bit of heaviness to the sound, okay? Making it a little bit more forceful, sounding a little deeper as well. So it would sound something like this. Ch, ch, okay? So you've got ch and ch, ch and ch. Do you hear the difference? Okay, let's explore a couple of words. Amabala alomsindo ka ch, ch, okay? We've got the first way, ch, okay? Ch. We've got chaya. Chaya means to hit or to beat up. Chaya. Chaya. I'm going to beat you up or I'm going to hit you. Okay? Ichugela. Ichugela is sugar. And chwabene. Chwabene means all wrinkled and folded. All right? Now, the second ch sound, ch, ch, okay? We've got inchiya. Those are the eyebrows. Chela, that's to tell. And nchoncha. Do you hear that one? That one's got 2. Nchoncha. That means to steal. So there you have it. That's part 4. Gl and ch and ch. Very good. Now, look out for our other videos, the Q click sounds, okay? The X click sounds, the C click sounds, and look forward to the softened sounds, v, k, and t, and the N variations, which should be coming up soon. Don't forget to register for your free Ndebele 101 lesson account, okay? And subscribe to us on YouTube so that you're the first to know whenever a new lesson is out. And we want to be your friend on Facebook, so come on over and check out our Facebook page. Otherwise, visit us at www.speakndebele.com. We'll see you there. That's all from me, Yimi Ntando.